Hello, I am Ruxar Hedri, your host. Welcome to Startup News. The top headlines at this hour are: Angel investor Sanjay Mehta has set a target to invest in 100 startups. Bank of Baroda has launched 10 dedicated branches to help startups. Government of India has done changes to the investment laws for the companies. This will help the startups. This has been an exciting month for Zaggle. It has won 3 awards back to back in less than a fortnight. Angel investor Sanjay Mehta has set a target to invest in 100 startups. The funding will happen in a calendar year. Mehta himself is a serial entrepreneur and he wants to create a large pool of Indian startups for the VCs. Mehta has launched his venture capital fund called 100x.vc. The platform will be investing through a financial instrument called iSafe or India Safe Notes. A report by Shimron.
Mehta is a serial entrepreneur and an angel investor. He has invested in over 130 companies since 2011. His platform, 100x.vc, will be working closely with founders, taking them to the next round of funding and beyond. This platform will be the first VC firm to invest in early-stage startups. Mehta's firm will invest between 25 lakhs to 1 crore in each startup. They will also help startups connect directly with other VCs. According to Mehta, since the launch, his platform has received over 400 applications.
Bank of Baroda has launched 10 dedicated branches to help startups. The program is named Baroda Startup Banking. The bank will offer tailor-made financial products and services to startups. A report by Simran.
The 10 new branches will be spread across India in leading metro cities. Some of the key cities are Hyderabad, Mumbai and the NCR region. The bank will have a dedicated team to identify the needs of a startup and will offer customized services. Remember, Bank of Baroda is India's second largest public sector bank and that gives it the advantage of reach.
Government of India has done changes to the investment laws for companies. Founders can now dilute majority stakes in their company without losing management control. A report by Dilshad.
The change to the company law comes as a major relief to startups who are trying to raise funds from abroad. Under the changed law, the Indian companies can now issue majority shares with differential voting rights. This basically means investors do not get voting rights equal to their investment. However, these investors get a proportionate share in the dividend paid by the company. This suits Indian startups as they can raise capital by diluting the majority stake in the company, but at the same time maintain control over the decision-making process. Industry experts feel the change will strengthen the hands of Indian companies and their promoters.
This has been an exciting month for Zaggle. It has won 3 awards back to back in less than a fortnight. Zaggle is a Hyderabad-based FinTech company. It is among the top 10 successful startups from the city. A report by Cassandra.
Zaggle won the Best Prepaid Card of the Year award at the recently concluded summit. This was the third award after the annual HICIA Awards. The award-winning product, Zaggle Save, is an expense management platform. It is designed to manage a variety of business expenses. The company has plans to take its product to the international market. Listen to what Avinash Godkindi, CEO of Zaggle, had to say on winning the awards.
The fact that we've invested a lot of time, effort, and love in building our solutions and products. Look, these awards are a culmination of the work that's been done over the last few years, and it's not easy for this is the glory part of it. The blood, sweat, and toil is what has been put by the team over the last few years, and this is just the culmination of that. Extremely humbling, and we're extremely proud of the fact that we've won these prestigious awards, both the HICIA Award as well as the Payments and Cards Summit Award for the Best Prepaid Card Solution, the IMAI Award for the Best Prepaid Card Solution. So these are all very prestigious awards, but I think there's a lot of work that's gone in the back end and a lot of strategic thinking as to how the product roadmap should be. How should we envisage it from a user perspective?
Great. Oh,
it's
that
all
makes
great
sense.
to build something which you love, but what if the user doesn't really care about it, right? So what do our corporates like? What do our end users like? And trying to find that out with a lot of market research, informal conversations, very, very structured ways of getting feedback. Those are the things that have gone in, and then a lot of design thinking in terms of being able to design a solution which is both on the mobile side very, very user friendly, but at the same time giving a lot of access and control to the corporates in terms of visibility as to what the spends are, where the expenses are incurring, and how they can optimize their spends and their expenses. So, in a nutshell, it's this is what I would say.
Facebook is set to roll out a new security feature on WhatsApp, and it will help in combating fake news and misinformation on the platform. A report by Cyrilla.
The new feature is called FFMs, or the frequently forwarded message. It will help WhatsApp users to identify a message that has been forwarded multiple times. The FFMs will be displayed with double arrow highlighted in grey color. WhatsApp will not show the number of times a message has been forwarded. This is an attempt by WhatsApp to stop fake news and false information. The new feature also gives group admin to enable or disable messages labeled as FFMs. The feature will be rolled out to all the Android and iOS users.
Kerala wants to be the hub for startups working in space technologies. The state is setting up a dedicated space park in Thiruvananthapuram. The hub will target the startups that are involved with both upstream and downstream space technologies. A report by Samreen.
Space has become the next frontier for many young Indian entrepreneurs. The successful launch of Chandrayaan-2 mission has further galvanized young minds towards space exploration. Many startups are working towards developing technologies for space exploration. Kerala wants to attract these startups. The state will create an ecosystem where it can nurture startups that are involved in developing space technology. Back to the studio.
Those are the top headlines at this hour. Do join us on the next show, where a group of young innovators are showcasing their e-bike. These are the students of Geetanjali College of Engineering and Technology, Hyderabad. Thank you for joining. I am Rukhsar Hedri.